Hello my dear friends and colleagues, welcome to your channel, The Knowledge Hub. Okay, so finally the microsheets for computer science are here. Now, what is a microsheet? As I told you earlier, this is a mini sheet. Okay, the way we make our lesson plans fully detailed with diagrams, explanations and all. These mini sheets are 5 in number and we have 5 skills that will be discussed in each one of them. So this is the first one, the introductive skill mini sheet. Now this is for computer science. The subject here we have filled is computer system, because our topic virus is one that deals with the computer system. Now what is a computer system? The entire working, the peripherals, the internal, the external parts, the hardwares, the softwares, everything is there in it. Now in it we're going to talk about virus. So our topic today is now virus. So to begin with, we will have an idea first regarding previous knowledge of students. Remember, this is introductive skill. So we are first going to have questions such as does your smartphone or PC ever hang? Hang here simply means slowing down, or maybe all the activities just come to a pause. Maybe you're typing and it suddenly stops moving, the cursor, and your device or your PC, your smartphone has hanged. So does it ever happen? Yes, it does. Now what causes the device to hang? So the students are like an unwanted file. Now an unwanted file is an unprofessional name. So with our further questions, we come to the name virus here. Okay, and what does virus do? It destroys our data, the files, our musics, our videos, our images, whatever content we have in our device. A virus destroys that data. Destruction can be in the form of deletions, that is, it can delete the file, or it can replicate it. It can make several copies of it, and each copy will have an incomplete format, incomplete size. And then these are the components that are used in the introductory skill. Our second skill comes the explanation skill here. Now in explanation we have 3 parts. We have the the pupil teacher's activity, the student's activity, and our teaching aids. Remember, teaching aids are very important parts of teaching. Without a teaching aid, it's like incomplete, because it gives a pictorial representation of our data which is in theory, and it makes the class more interesting and easy to understand. Now in explanation, we first give the definition. A computer virus is a malicious software program loaded onto our PC without our knowledge. So you see, we are unaware when a virus enters our computer system. It can be through internet, it can be through an external memory storage device like a pen drive, like a CD-ROM, like a floppy disk, or even when we connect phones to our PC, virus can be transferred. And then we have examples such as Nimda, we have Tinba, we have Configure, we have Trojan horse. They're very attractive name often of viruses. And then we have types. We have the macrovirus, the boot sector record virus, the file infector virus. We ask these questions to the kids as well to get our response. And in our teaching aid, we can draw different kinds of viruses here in order to explain it to the students. And then these are the objectives that are used in the explanatory skill. The third skill is our blackboard skill. Yes, after we have explained, we put it on the board so that the students can note it carefully into their notebooks. Okay, we are going to give the definition of a virus, the examples of a virus, and the word virus was coined by Fred Cohen in 1983. This was the first time that this word virus was first coined. And then these are our components that are used. Moving further comes the questioning skills. We ask students the questions and then we check out their answers. We see their performance. It's sort of an evaluation to know whether the students are concentrating, listening carefully, and understanding as well. Finally, we have the fifth skill, which is the reinforcement skill. After asking our students the questions and we receive their answers, this is like a feedback. It's like a comment to the students, and it always encourages students that yes, our answer is correct. Okay, so for example, if we ask that is a virus harmful, the student answers that yes, because it destroys our data. So for this, we given reinforcement of good. Okay, and these are the components that have been used for reinforcement. So this is our microsheets for computer science, and the sub-subject is computer system and the topic of virus. Thank you.